Sweet baby girl, cat shelter. Welcome to the shelter. Let's feed Mr. Fluffy. First, we need some fish seeds. Now take the fish. Great! Now remove the fish scales. Sprinkle it with fish seasoning. Add some olive oil. Slice the carrots, please. Put the tin in the oven. Turn it on. Cook the fish for a half an hour. Great! Fluffy really wants... Yay! Job well done! You are the best chef! Welcome to the shelter! Oh no! The window got very messy. Apply the cleaner, please. Now, wipe it. Let's make this window shiny. Polish it. Ew! Clean this litter box, please. Throw out the old litter. Spray on some cleaner. Great! Now, wipe it. Pour some clean litter. Now let's clean the sofa. Spray it. Wipe it off. Let's vacuum the carpet. Don't forget the spider webs. Throw the trash away, please. Yay! Job well done. Pet shelter is clean again and cats are happy. Meow. Welcome to the shelter. Dress up beautiful snowflakes. Dress up beautiful snowflakes.